Cody and I are going to show you what we found works best for this type of molding. It's really hard to clean in these little areas, and I am going to show you the way that we found that works best for that. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to spray really well and kind of let it sit. We'll be back in a sec. You're going to want some kind of a scrub brush. So this is an electric scrub brush, or I do have this scrub brush. And what it's going to do is it's going to get into those little divots. And I found that if you twist it kind of like this, if you're using one of these, it tends to help get some of the stuff out. Now, part of what the problem is you, normally when you're doing moldings, you can just wipe it dry. This, however, let's see if it will pick it up. Let's get out of the way. Can you see how there's water kind of in the little crevice? That you do not want to leave because you don't want it warping the wood. So I'm going to dry it as best I can, using my finger to get into every little crevice. What I'm going to do is take the brush and put the towel around it, if I can. So I'm going to put the towel around it with the scrub brush right here. I'm going to then go in and scrub to dry the water out of those areas. And this we can't get very clean. Some of that stuff is stuck in there. But I'm gonna go to it a little bit more and try to get it out. But that's how we found works best for this kind of molding. Okay, so to get the molding, there's 4 divots on this one. So I'm just gonna press my fingers down, Cody, and I'm just gonna go up and down to get in the crevice to get it cleaned there.
Crevices.
Ooh, ooh.
Show that pretty rag.
Well, it's wet too. It's an old rag. So, or you can just go side. This one I can't do that, so I'm just gonna go side to side with my fingers, going up and down. That's what we found works best. Okay.